Is being an electrician in Mauritius well paid? On average, an electrician in Mauritius earns around 10,400 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you take home $9,200 each year. That leaves you with a monthly electrician income of roughly $767, which is why your actual take-home pay depends so much on where you live. For example, in Port Louis, an electrician earns a higher average electrician salary in Mauritius of $10,800 after tax. But living costs in the capital are higher too, so that extra money goes quickly. On top of that, your experience changes your pay, because an entry-level worker starts well below the average electrician pay and sees wages go up quickly early on before pay plateaus without a move into supervision. Having a university degree also sets you apart and helps you move into higher-paying roles like project manager or site supervisor, while having extra technical skills lets you earn even more as an electrician.